Welcome to everyone. I hope you may be doing well. Let's learn something new today. A is for astronaut. B is for boulder. C is for cricket bat. D is for disc. E is for elephant. F is for fireman. G is for grease. H is for hero. I is for igloo. J is for jump. K is for kiwi. L is for leaf. M is for magnet. N is for noodles. O is for onion. P is for parrot. Q is for queue. R is for red. S is for ship. T is for tree. U is for university. V is for volleyball. W is for wave. X is for xenops. Y is for yardstick. Z is for zigzag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It will motivate me.